Hello my friends, how are you? I hope to find you well. Let's see some stocks now. Let's start with the Coinbase stock. As you can see here on my chart, Coinbase for the today and the yesterday found resistant in 21 moving days average on this line, and then today we have a big decline. Decline was 12% from 21 moving average, from $57 to $68.45 per share, and I expected for tomorrow the decline will continue until these territories, these price levels. Let's see here in the 15 minutes better. I expect to fall until here, between price rates 64.96 and 63.52. Somewhere here we will find a support from the previous supports, and I am betting for tomorrow a bearish short position. Also, let's see now. The price from Bitcoin is also had a very big decline from 31 and 700 points to 29,600 points in one day. This is also a problem with the revenues from the Coinbase and the other crypto companies. Lower cryptocurrencies prices means lower revenues. Let's see now the Afrm stock. As you can see here my chart, Afrm stock today closed just in 21 moving average, and here is a upward support, and I expect it for tomorrow to have it here at these levels, upward reaction between 26 and $26.80 per share. Price is above $26. It's very good to close your trades if you buy today lows as me. Also, let's see now the Twitter stock. I'm expecting the deal will close with Elon Musk. The momentum is still positive. I trust Elon Musk to buy the Twitter at this in $54 per share. And as you can see here on my chart in Twitter, he has a bullish flag. As you can see, this is a bullish flag. If we don't have any news today or tomorrow morning, it's very good to trade again, like our enclosed group for our members. You can join on my site hifasttrades.com. We make a lot trades between this price range, and now we have more cash. It's very good to, if don't have any news from the takeover, to close position in the highs, to buy the position in the lower price for more gains and more cash for you. But we are still a strong long position until the deal close. I think now, from day to day, every day, the possibilities are getting bigger and bigger. For now, let's see the Nio. Let's see the Nio stock. It's interesting. Nio stock today have made a second change to to close above the 50 days move average, the out from the regression trend, but it didn't manage. We have a big volume again. As you can see here, we have 96 millions and 92 millions compared to 60, 40, 40, 65 million shares in previous trading days. For me, this candle is for now is not good. It's bearish, but let's see the next days, because Nio stock have 1,000 bullish traders and investors. My scenario is to reach $10 per cent is still alive, but now let's see here if we move out from the regression downtrend and the regression trend, or we'll move lower prices. At the previous days we have a double bottom, as you can see here, or here and here on my previous videos. If my suggestion is if we have big consolidation here on these levels before the earnings, is very good for me to open a short position for a day trade. Until then, hope to find you well. Goodbye.